Robots are everywhere in our daily lives, from industrial automatization to artificial intelligence in our smartphones. These machines help us in ways we sometimes don't even realize. They perform tasks that are repetitive, precise, and even too dangerous for humans. But robotics isn't just limited to the land. Beneath the surface of our oceans, specialized robots play a critical role in exploring and understanding the deep sea. Welcome to Ocean Science. Today we dive into the fascinating world of the remotely operating vehicles, known as ROVs. The advanced robots that allow us to explore the deepest part of the ocean without leaving the surface. The ocean remains one of the lastest explored places on Earth, and according with the NOAA, more than 80% is still unmapped. ROVs became an essential tool to unlock these secrets. But what is a ROV? A ROV is an underwater robot controlled by an operator in the land station or in a ship. They are equipped with lights, cameras, arms, or even scientific instruments to collect samples and record in high definition the deepest part of our oceans. The first ROV prototypes starts in the 1950s with the US Navy to recovering the lost torpedoes and weapons. And from that time, the ROVs evolved to the modern Jason and Hercules, two models of ROV that are capable of doing everything underwater. But how do ROVs work? ROVs receive power through an umbilical cable connected to the surface ship, and the high-definition cameras, the sonar and the laser scanners map the ocean floor and identify marine life. The arms can be used to collect samples, interact with the underwater structures, and even assist in the deep-sea constructions. The thrusters allows to an accurate movement and stability, even in strong ocean currents. And the tether management system prevents the cable from tangling and ensure an efficient navigation. The actual application that we have for the ROVs are different. For the scientific research, we can use, for example, the cameras to identify the marine life. So for the marine biology, it's interesting to know what is in the deepest part of our ocean. But with the arms and the scientific instruments that we have in a ROV, we can collect different samples of the deepest part of the sea. So it can help to the people that do geology and understand better how the crust is formed, or also they can take samples of the ocean water, so understanding how the chemicals of the deep part of the ocean are. And also we can have different sensors that indicate the velocity of the water, so we can see the different currents that we have in the deepest part of our ocean. It's also useful for the archaeology, and these ROVs can explore the ancient trade routes. They can monitorize the underwater volcano, studying the hydrothermal vents that we have in a particular zone. Then we have another applications in the gas and oil industry to repairing the different structures that they have underwater. And also we can have applications on the military and the search operations. Until now we see what is a ROV, how they work, and the different applications that they have. But the ROVs are not the only ones that can go underwater. We have also the human operated vehicles, the submarines, and the automatic underwater vehicles, like the drones that we have underwater. These two we will explore in another videos. As a recent graduate oceanographer, I explain the ocean curiosities with the most recent information. So if you're curious about the ocean, subscribe to the channel. And now we go back to the ocean ROVs. We see the evolution of the AI and the robots in the last years. So it's the same for the ROVs. Here they are becoming faster, smarter, and more efficient to do the different tasks that they have. But for now, the human intervention is key to explore the deepest stretch on the ocean. And in the future, we expect to develop these devices to explore the alien oceans. So the oceans that we have in our solar system or even further. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you the next Saturday at 12 with the next video. Bye bye!